For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Newly elected Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga said that Japan is determined to host the postponed Tokyo Olympics 2021 amid a pandemic. Addressing the United Nations General Assembly, Suga said that the Olympics will be hosted during the summer next year and it would be safe and secure. In the summer of next year, Japan is determined to host the Tokyo Olympic and Paralympic Games as proof that humanity has defeated the pandemic. I will continue to spare no effort in order to welcome you to games that are safe and secure. Suga became the Prime Minister after former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe stepped down earlier this month due to poor health. In March this year, the Games were postponed by the International Olympic Committee and the Japanese government due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Organizers of the Tokyo Olympics proposed cutting back the number of staff at next year's Summer Games and shortening the opening period for training venues. International Olympic Committee Vice President John Coates affirmed that the Games have to be held. If not, athletes would be left devastated. But with the COVID-19 infections increasing across the world, there are ongoing questions about whether the event will be possible next year. Medical experts have also warned that a massive international event like the Olympics could be difficult to hold if the pandemic is not under control by next summer. Japan has reported more than 81,000 COVID-19 cases, 1,500 deaths, and the country still has more than 8,000 active COVID-19 cases. Suga, in a video message to the United Nations, said that Japan will ensure fair and equitable vaccine access to everybody. Japan fully supports the development of therapeutics, vaccines and diagnostics and works towards ensuring fair and equitable access for all, including those in developing countries. Suga also said that as part of its step to help developing countries hit by the pandemic, Japan is offering up to $4.5 billion in emergency loans. Meanwhile, a study conducted by Japanese researchers suggests that Tokyo might have developed herd immunity. Tokyo has registered a fall in the number of COVID-19 cases, and researchers have claimed that the possibility of herd immunity should be considered, particularly in the highly dense urban scenario like Tokyo. From 206 countries, over 12,000 athletes will participate in the Olympics, along with thousands of trainers and organizers who will be present. Earlier today, the World Health Organization warned that the global COVID-19 death toll could hit 2 million before an effective vaccine is widely used. With several sports being close contact based, it remains to be seen how Japan will manage to host the Olympics, keeping in mind all the necessary precautions.